Coffee is one of the favorite drinks of men for about 1,000 years. It first became popular among the people of Arabia and reached Europe in 16th century. The introduction of coffee caused a great excitement. Previously, coffee was banned and then it was used as a medicine. Then, finally, it was accepted as a popular beverage. All coffees are the same, yet different brands of coffee have different tastes. Why? These differences are due to the manner of preparation and the method of roasting, but the main reason is due to varieties of beans available. It is grown in various countries. A normal coffee is grown at different altitudes, ranging from 450 meters to 1800 meters. And the best coffee? So, the best coffee comes from higher altitudes from 9,000 meters to 10,800 meters. In the trade, coffee grown in Brazil is called Brazils, and the coffee grown in other countries is known as milds. Though the mild coffees are considered superior than Brazils, actually many of the Brazils are finer than milds. So we can't compare one or another. Every brand of coffee has its own blend, own nature. So the work of testing coffee and blending coffee needs great skill. Nature produces coffee, man makes it good and delicious. Pratham-ed is considered to be one of the most helpful and effective education channel which explains in a fantastic manner. So what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe the channel.